Welcome guys, in this video we are going to learn these terms. As in our previous videos, we have a basic introduction about these terms. Let's dive into these terms. First of all, launch screen storyboard. As you can see in the screen, when your application is not running, the operating system will take your coding files to memory so that it can execute your application. At that time, the user will see a screen for some seconds. This screen is known as launch screen storyboard. Now what is tab bar? As you see in this picture, there are 4 items have different views. As you can see the example, home, shorts, library. So these are all different views. When user click on home, you have to show the user's home view. When the user click on shorts, the user will see the shorts view. So you can do this by creating a stack and give the stack item to tap actions and change your view according to the tap of user. But the tab bar help you to make the parent-child relationship. The parent can show the child views in his frames. So you can use tab bar at that time. What is navigation view? Basically, navigation view is helpful when you have to go from one screen to another. The navigation view work on stack. So stack has majorly 2 operations, push and pop. When you go from one screen to another screen, simply navigation view create a stack and push our new view to the stack. When the user hit the back button, it simply removes the current view from the stack. So this is the working of navigation view. Let's start with launch screen storyboard. From Xcode 13, Apple removes launch screen storyboard default file from the project. So if you want a custom launch screen storyboard, you have to add a new file. Just click on YouTube app and new file and search for launch screen and create next. The name should be launch screen. Just create. The default launch screen with YouTube app label will appear. Just delete it. And now give the background color to black, and we need an image at the center. So just press Command Shift L to add any UI components. Search image view and drag the image view to the center. We need a YouTube logo image. So as already told that the image and the colors are going to put in the assets folder. I already dragged all my images. As you see the structures, I have created different folders for color and images. And in the images also, the launch screen have only one logo, that is image launch logo. And the navigation view have different images like image cast, notifications or search. And our tabs have 5 tabs, that is add, home, library, source. How can you create this? Just right click on this and you can create a folders, image and color set. Now in the image view, I'm going to write image launch logo, and I want this image logo to be in center. So just I give 2 constraints horizontally and vertically in container. Add 2 constraints, and now I have to give some width as the image is large in size. We have created the UI part of launch screen storyboard. Now you have to tell your compiler that use this custom launch screen storyboard as a launch screen. Just click on YouTube app. Now search for launch screen file. Just click on that and there is an option of launch screen. Now the compiler will launch your custom launch screen at the time of launch. Just run the program. We already get our launch screen at the time of launch.